Welcome to the training tutorial for Rhode Island State Government Non-Discrimination Plans for the period covering June 30, 2024 to July 1 of 2025. The State Equal Opportunity Office has provided this tutorial along with additional resources to assist agencies with completing their plans. Discussion topics. During this tutorial, we will cover the purpose of the non-discrimination plan, the general requirements, plan components, policy templates, and the statistical reporting. Purpose of the non-discrimination plan. This is not just a compliance exercise. It is a working document that reflects our shared responsibility to promote equity, strengthen our workforce, and ensure that every employee has the opportunity to thrive. General requirements. Agencies with 20 or more FTEs must prepare a comprehensive non-discrimination plan. The NDP should be developed in accordance with the specific situation of each agency. However, each written plan must contain the requirements outlined within the guidelines. Agencies with 20 or more employees. This listing is also within the guidelines. State agencies that have under 20 FTEs shall certify in a written policy statement to our office that they follow and are committed to the policies and practices of equal opportunity and non-discrimination. Most agencies under 20 already have a policy statement in place. However, we have gone ahead and attached a template should any agency look to update their policy or any agency need to establish a policy. Agencies with under 20 employees. This listing is also included within the guidelines. Plan components. What must be included in your agency's non-discrimination plan? First, a cover page with your agency's name, address, title of the plan, reporting period, and the name, title, and signature of your agency head. Submission letters to both the DEDI Associate Director and House Fiscal Advisor. Templates for these letters have been provided within the DOA templates document shared in Microsoft Word format. Agency organization and structure. Here you'll provide a brief outline of your agency's jurisdiction, purpose, and background along with an organizational chart. Agency attestations. Templates for consideration have been provided within the DOA templates document. Agency data overview, statistical. These are the blank data sheets that are linked under Agency Data Overview within the guidelines. We'll cover data on slide 10. Agency Data Overview, narrative. Your agency must follow the standardized format under the Agency Data Overview within the DOA templates document. The appendix documents have also been included as part of that DOA templates document. Attestations. So these are your policy statements. The head of your agency must acknowledge and attest that they are aware of and comply with the laws, regulations, policies, protocols, and other requirements outlined within the guidelines. Templates for consideration are part of that DOA templates document that's been shared in Microsoft Word format. Agency data overview. There are 3 spreadsheets provided by our office. Under Agency Data Overview on page 7 of the guidelines, there's a hyperlink called Charts and Forms. That link will take you to an Excel workbook containing the blank data sheets. Breakdown of job applicant demographics by classification title is the raw data that you will use to complete the applicants and hires data by EEO job category, as well as the promotions and terminations data by EEO job category. The statistical summary of the existing workforce and job group can be pulled from the Power BI dataset if your agency has access to Power BI. Some agencies, quasi-agencies, colleges and universities capture their data internally. However, if your agency requires assistance with obtaining data, please contact our office. Our contact information is listed on slide 13. Now, understanding these reports. The applicants and hires data table provides an overview of workforce activity compiled from the raw data collected from HR. It captures the flow of applicants through the hiring process. The table should include the number of applications received and the number of final hires disaggregated by relevant demographic characteristics and organizational units. This data set can be used to assess recruitment effectiveness, monitor hiring outcomes, and support equal employment opportunities. The promotion and terminations data table represents a structured summary of employee movements within the workforce during fiscal year 2024 to 2025. The table captures the number of promotions and those who separated from state service either by retirement, dismissal, or resignation. This table is used to support analysis of career advancement, retention, and workforce stability. The statistical summary data table provides a comprehensive statistical overview of the workforce as of June 30, 2025. It summarizes employee counts across all state agencies representing demographic and job categories to evaluate state workforce composition and representation. This data reflects workforce activity for the selected period covering July 1 of 2024 to June 30 of 2025. Non-discrimination plan timeline. Guidelines have been issued, and plans are due to the State Equal Opportunity Office on March 2nd. Please allow sufficient time for your internal review and approvals within your respective agencies. Upon receipt of the plan, the Equal Opportunity Office will review and render an approval or request revisions. If revisions are needed, agencies will have 10 working days to complete and return the plan to our office. Once the plan is approved, we will sign the cover page and send a copy to the point of contact at your agency. Finally, March 31st, our office will submit all approved plans to the General Assembly. So here we've just defined some of the frequently used acronyms throughout the non-discrimination plan training materials. That concludes our tutorial. The State Equal Opportunity Office is available to answer any questions, provide additional information, and offer technical assistance to all agencies. We are here to guide you through this process. The EOO.compliance mailbox listed here is set up as a shared confidential mailbox. Please send all emails to this address. This will help our office to remain organized and efficient throughout the process. Agencies with 20 or more FTEs requiring assistance with their data should submit their data requests to this address by January 23rd. Please feel free to visit our website and view our FAQs via the QR code or link down below.